Hey guys, I had made a tweet earlier wearing some Black Ops 4 merchandise. I was wearing a hat and a shirt, and everybody wanted to know where I got it. Along with the hat and shirt, I got a couple of lanyards, which I'm going to be giving away on Twitter, and I'll talk more about that at the end of the video. We've all seen the basketball and NFL players wearing the black hat with the orange logo, and this hat here is brand new. The hat is really, really nice, and it's a one-size-fits-all, and it just became available like 2 days ago, and they're selling them at GameStop. I had gone into GameStop earlier yesterday and they only had one left, so it might be hard to get your hands on one in store, but they are selling them online for $16.99, and they're also $16.99 in the store. Again, these hats are a one-size-fits-all, and they are a flex fitted with a closed back, so you can't adjust it. They're also selling the Black Ops 4 shirt, and they have all the sizes, and they're $19.99. The shirt is okay, but the fabric is really thin, and I don't really like that. I feel like for $20 it's not really worth the price. You're better off just getting the hat. They also have the lanyards available, and that has a badge holder with it. You don't see it in this picture, and it also has the metal logo. And I'll be giving one of these away on my Twitter later on, so just watch out for that. Another thing that is really interesting with this merchandise are the leaks that had surfaced, and here are the screenshots from those. If you guys remember these were some of the very first leaks where something had said Black Ops 4, and we didn't know that it was going to be called Black Ops 4 yet. Someone had posted these and said that these were screenshots from a computer at GameStop, and they were showing hats, shirts, and lanyards for Black Ops 4. I guess all of this was true, and all the pricing matches up as well, and even the dates say May the 1st, and I talked to the people at GameStop and they said, yeah, these became available just a couple of days ago, so these showed up at their warehouse on probably May 1st, like it says, and then they became available Friday. So it's nice to see that at least one of the leaks that we've seen so far came true. One thing that is really interesting is the very left column. If you go down to, it says CG Call of Duty EXCL. It says it's a board game, and it's going to show up on 9/28/2018. Maybe that doesn't really mean anything now, but once we get there and see it, maybe it'll be something really cool. I personally do like board games, and the EXCL could stand for exclusive, so it may not be a big deal, but we'll just have to remember to keep an eye out for it during that time to see what that is. Now, I know there is a tremendous amount of stuff going on in the news and a lot of stuff I've been wanting to report to you guys, but I'm currently on vacation, so the videos have been slow. I should be coming back sometime next week, but I hope this helped you guys out. Hope you're able to get your hands on some of this merchandise. I'll see you guys next video.